Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. On the Kaspa chart, we are still watching here for eventually a deeper fourth wave in this A, B, C correction. In the last video, we already saw this rally. Price did react to resistance, yeah, and it has come down lower. The assumption was that this is a B wave. This is still the assumption that this is a B wave. It might, of course, have topped already. But we said that as long as it's holding the 3.59 cent level, it has a good chance to produce 5 waves up in the C wave of that B wave. So what this is basically an ABC structure. And in the C wave, that was the dog. And in the C wave, we should get 5 waves. So until we have 5 waves, as long as it's holding, until we have 5 waves, we basically expect another high in the C wave of the B wave as long as the critical support level for this wave 4 pullback is holding. This is the 50% retracement level. This needs to hold. It's at 3.59 cents. A break below that would anyway lead to a basically an overlap here with wave 1, right? So you want to avoid an overlap between waves 1 and 4. And as long as we can avoid an overlap, price has a good chance to move higher, basically. Yeah? At least one more high in this fifth wave, but then it should get rejected. That's the expectation at the moment, at least, that there will be a rejection here. Well, we already had one here at resistance at 4.1 cents. But if this is a fifth wave, which is still happening in the C wave, we should push a little higher. At least that assumption is valid as long as we're holding 3.59 cents. And the next level is 4.33 and then 4.7 cents. At the latest there, we should see a rejection to complete this B wave and to head down then in a C wave. So this could spread out into quite a long, overall quite long correction after Kaspa rallied quite a bit this year, performed really well this year. But it needs to correct that at some point, right? So I highlighted to you in the previous video, I mean, I cannot rule out that it goes up more directly. It is nothing I'm looking for at the moment, nothing I'm primarily watching for. But I can tell you if it goes up from here, then this is still an extension of the third wave, which would be a bit annoying, but this would then be what I have to assume. This is not yet the overall fourth wave. Yeah, it's just too small for what it did, okay? It needs basically a deeper wave 4 at some point. Bear in mind, at the moment, it only topped in 3 waves overall. So the expectation is for it to come down considerably lower, potentially to 2 cents or 1.5 even. But first of all, it needs to complete that B wave, which is basically just a corrective rally into resistance, where we should see a rejection. I keep focusing on that for you. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.